Here's our monster egg. We're gonna see what's in it. 98 grams, right, bud?
Hold it.
Over here. There you go. Oh, look at that. Let's open it. Wait. Oh, yeah.
Yuck.
Oh, okay. How many yolks do you think are in here? How many?
Yuck. Yuck.
Let's see.
Yuck.
Easy to peel. Okay.
This open.
Open that part. This is our giant chicken egg. I think it came from our Australorp. Okay. Oh. Okay. Well, a little bit of damage there. Okay. So we cut it. Cut it and see what's happening. Let me get a better knife. Oh, here. Careful. Okay, let's see how many yolks are in it, or if there's more than one. There might only be one.
Thank you.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's see. Let's see here. Oh, a double yolker.
Hold it.
A double yolker. You want to bite? You want to bite? Yummy.